How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of, sorry for the pause, Lenovo Idea Tab 11. This is the high performance Lenovo Tab, which has the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The 8GB of RAM is what got me interested in this absolute beast of a tablet. I got this from Argos. There is a special offer going on in Argos at the moment, which is you put in a promo code, which is just a second. Let me just quickly check. The promo code is damn. Where's the promo code going, man? There we go. It is RED20. When you apply the promo code RED20, you get a big chunk of the price down. So originally the tablet costs about 100 and what the hell, dude? I'm not ready for this video, am I? Let me just quickly go there. Originally the tablet's for £209. However, there are major discounts going on Argos, and the tablet is for £159.99 with the RED20 promo code. You save £32. That brings the price down to £127.99. Now, hear me out. When you buy this tablet, £127.99, you also get a £50 Argos voucher when you apply for it, which brings down the tablet to a whopping £77.99. So for a £200 tablet, you're going to be paying £77.99. Now, I am saying this as of Wednesday, 20th of August 2025. That's what's going to happen. After that, you're going to have to pay for the full price, guys. So limited stocks. Don't forget to use the promo code RED20 for your huge discount. Now, let's go and unbox this, man. I think that's the longest explanation I've ever done in an unboxing video. This tablet is absolutely incredible, man. I love Lenovo tablets. Lenovo tablets are my thing, man. Seriously, they're really good. They look amazing. They are just pure beautiful, man. Pure beautiful. Let's go. Open up. Now, I'm going to be quiet for you ASMR, guys. It is open. I mean, not fully open, but it is open now. We got two protective stickers right here. Just a second. Where's the knife gone? Let me just quickly knife these. One there. And one here. Right. Let's give me a sec. Oh, you know that sound? Right. And here is the grand unboxing. Let's go. Beautiful. Out goes the box. And here comes the grand unboxing. Dude, I love the way how it is wrapped so neatly. So let's get it wrapped this way. And let's get it this way. I got this unfortunately, the offer was just for this specific color. It looks beautiful. The color is nice, but I prefer my gadgets and technology in black, man. But it looks cool. Cool. There is the 8-megapixel camera. To be honest with you, I never use a tablet. I never use a camera on tablets anyway. And here is the amazing screen, which is all 11 inches. Now let's put that to a side. Quick side scar guide. Energy rating, warranty, guarantee, and all that good stuff. What do we have here? SIM injection today. Dude, did this have a SIM? Dolby Atmos, by the way. I don't think it's got a SIM. Nah, it can't be. I think that's where you put the. You know what? Let's just for the unboxing purposes, let's quickly use the tray to see. Sometimes, you know what, you get lucky and it comes with the SIM. As if I'm going to use this outside anyway. That's where my Fold 7 comes into play. Come on, open up. And nope, It's just for the SD card. But that's alright, that's alright. Sometimes, you know what it is? When you purchase, for example, online from Amazon or any other retailer, what happens is that you get surprised in the box and the tablet turns out to be SIM compatible. Now let's put that to a side. We have the pen. The beautiful pen. Obviously, I'm not going to turn this tablet on now. As you know, the AMR does not turn its gadgets on until they are 100% charged. That's what the AMR does. Here's the pen. It looks very, quality, man. Look at that. Looks really nice to hold. And what's this? That's just, I don't want to open it. The mechanism stuff inside. That's the pen, man. Looking pretty good. Let's see how it feels on the screen. It feels nice on the screen as well. Anything else in here? Anything else? We got the charging standard USB-C cable. I'm not going to open that yet because I've already got one hooked up. And is there anything else in here? There is nothing else in the box, guys. I'm just destroying the box right now. Let's put the box to the side, man. And look at the tablet once more. Nice, solid feeling, man. I'm loving it. That is the tablet. It's gigantic, dude. Seriously, 11 inches. Huge. And it's just, look, here's the back. So there you have it, guys. The Lenovo Tab 11. Link for the further information of the specs and stuff is going to be in the description below. I'm going to also put a link down below for the Argos. Get it while you can, guys. This is cheap as chips at the moment. It's a £200 tablet and you can get it for £77. Why not? Just go and grab yours, guys. Links in the description below. Limited time offer only. If you got any comments, any questions, hit them down below and I'll answer them ASAP. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay awesome. Peace out, man.